Hello, it's Gord here. So I'm going to start this video with my tourbillon. And I've been working at a boat shop all summer, making extra money to indulge in my watch curiosities here. So I've been setting up a bench to work on watches, and I've managed to acquire a few pieces. So those ones there, my Maserati watch and different stuff, those are my wares. These are watches that I've been able to get at a garage sale and flea markets and different stuff, the ones that we're going to work on. I've got, I made a purchase last weekend of an inventory of watches and parts. So there's 33 watches, pocket watches there, and then those ones are newer, and these ones are ones dating back to the early mid 1800s. There's one there with a fusee from 1805. This is my Amiga that I've been working on. It's cleaned up, ready to go. But this is what I was able to acquire here last Monday. So these were cabinets that had crystals and for pocket watches and watches. And now there's almost every kind of crystal you can possibly imagine. But some of the empty drawers, I was able to sort and put parts in. There's a junk drawer there. So there's some of these are miscellaneous parts. Some of them are parts for, I've got Hamilton, Waltham, Elgin, Bulova. There's every kind of part you can imagine. A lot of balance wheels and staffs. There's Elgins. Those are all crowns. And some stems. This box here is just crowns and stems for pocket watches and watches. Those ones are watches. These ones are more watches. These are watches that are available for sale, mostly quartz watches, but some of them are gold. There's a Helbros there. And then a whole bunch of pocket watch cases. And to continue with the rest of here, there's more crystals, various types of watches. These cabinets themselves are to mount crystals on. I have a thing here and put the right die in there. So you gotta pull this out a little bit, it's a little too close to the wall. But so many crystals for so many kinds of watches. So now the inventory I was able to get from a guy in Edmonton who had bought it from one of the jewelers that had retired in Edmonton. Those are all mainsprings. There's Illinois and Hamilton parts. Those ones, I think were Waltham and Elgin parts. And then this is kind of my Temu drawer of parts and stuff that I got cheap. more stems. There's Inca block stuff there. This is Illinois watch parts. So it's miscellaneous of all different kinds of parts. And then these ones were an eBay lot that I had bought that's just movements. Probably anywhere up to 100 years old. Some are just the base plates, some have lots of parts. But yeah, there's just 120 different movements in there. Anyway, so I've got a huge inventory of almost every different kind of part you can imagine. I've started putting them on eBay, and so you'll see that. But the next thing I will finish is my Amiga. That's what I think I want to finish next. So if you have any questions about maybe some crystals or parts you need, leave me a message. Thanks.